From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. Mama's in the kitchen cooking dinner real nice. Beef stew on the stove, low my salmon with the ice. We eat and drink and we sing all day. Connie Kapila in the old Hawaiian way. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. We go grandma's house on the weekend, clean yard cars. If we don't go, grandma gotta work hard, yeah. You know my grandma, she like the boy real sour. I love my grandma every minute, every hour. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side.
We arrived to the Big Island the 4th of July. During the dates of our travel, unfortunately, there were no rental cars that were available. Uber and Lyft was unsuccessful, very lengthy wait. Therefore, we opted for a taxi, which was plentiful of. They charged the same as Uber and Lyft. We utilized Faye's service because she's very friendly, welcoming, and I do highly recommend getting around with taxi if there is no other means of transportation. If you're staying at the Hilton Waikoloa Village, I do apologize if I pronounced that incorrectly, or the Hilton Grand Vacation Ocean Tower, just to inform you, towels you get at the towel machine. Yes, you heard me correctly. You get your towels at the towel machine, and based off what they're saying is that there is actually a microchip that tracks your towel. So do return those towels or you may get charged that $20.
On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. On the island, we do it island style. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side. From the mountain to the ocean, from the windward to the leeward side.